So Facebook retired all of the old monetization ways that they had. I don't even know about that system. Okay? I'm only focused on the now. Think of it as Facebook is hiring for new content creators, such as yourself. You can monetize off of videos, reels, posts, questions, polls, recommendations, stories, live videos, subscriptions, in stream ads, collaborations, ads, Facebook pages, Facebook groups. It is so many ways to get money on Facebook. There's no reason why you just sit here watching my video and not trying to make no money and not soaking up what I'm giving and not soaking up the juice and not soaking up what I'm trying to give you. Okay? So before October 2025, I was just going with it, just trying shit. Okay? Seeing what worked. And I got accepted to be a part of the monetization program, but then I turned around and got demonetized because my content was not eligible. Okay? Twerking videos, um, explicit videos, discrimination, violence to an extent is not prohibited, okay? So you need to be careful what you post. Even sharing other people's content could possibly risk your monetization because you don't know what type of music they're using, what type of hashtags they used, what group did they post in, if they tagged anybody. There's a lot of ways that other people's content can get you messed up by sharing it. Okay? So you need to be posting your own content, original content, authentic content. Okay? They ain't accepting nothing less. And I'm talking about Facebook and YouTube. Okay? They cracking down. You want that money? You got to work for it. So, first thing you need to do is turn your Facebook profile into professional mode. Then, apply for monetization. Make sure your page is able for monetization. Okay? So, you might need to set it up as such, which will be in another video. So, go to the playlist. So, that playlist at the bottom, go to it. Lots of information. Once you become monetized, even before you even before you become monetized, you can make up to 10 Facebook pages. Okay? If your name is George, you can have George Louise. Your second page can be George L. Your third page can be Louise George. Your fourth page can be LJ, LG. Your fifth page can be so and so said this. Whatever the case may be, whatever you got going on, make a page for it. Okay? If you cook, clean, or is a single parent, clean houses, work on cars. That's what, 5 different things? Make 5 different pages. If you got some services or products to offer, make a page for that. Okay? Join some Facebook groups. Make a Facebook group. Engage with your audience. Engage with other people. Don't expect support and you ain't giving it. that be your problem. But the thing about Facebook monetization, baby, they don't even have to like for you to get paid. As long as you posting, somebody gonna see it. And that means you getting paid. Apply now. Facebook just flipped the script in 2025. Forget everything you thought you knew about Reels and ad revenue. This new system pays you for almost everything you do on Facebook. I'm talking about Reels, stories, photos, and even text. I just got into Facebook's brand new content monetization beta program, and I'm going to break down the exact steps that I have to take to get there. So lock in, baby, because we about to run it up. Better take some notes, unless you got good memory. Or you can always rewind it back, save it, come back later. But I'm gonna give you the game, baby. Show you how to make the plate. It's up to you to eat.